Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a specific contact suggestion from share sheet on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me close this settings app. So let us start. So let me open something to share. Let me open one photo. So here I have this Photos app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And here I have this Recents album. Let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I have this Recents album opened, and you can see here I have various images or photos. So suppose if I want to share this photo, then I need to tap and hold on that. So let me tap and hold on this photo, and you can see guys, here I have this share option. Just tap on this share link, and you can see guys, I have this photo selected, and here I have this share sheet, and you can see guys, at the top here I have contact suggestions over here. So suppose if you want to remove a specific contact suggestion from share sheet, then what you need to do, you have to go to that contact. So suppose if I want to remove this contact suggestion from this share sheet, then what I need to do, I need to tap and hold on that. So I'm tapping and holding on this contact suggestion, and you can see guys, here I have this option suggest less. So what you need to do, you have to tap on that. So I'm tapping on this suggest less, and you can see guys, that specific contact suggestion is now removed from share sheet. And suppose guys, if I want to remove this contact suggestion also from this share sheet, then what I need to do, I need to tap and hold on this. So I'm tapping and holding on this contact suggestion, and again I need to tap on this suggest less. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys, it's now removed. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily remove a specific contact suggestion from share sheet on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.